Welcome to your channel SN Infotech with VS. Today we are going to create a 3D illusion in MS Paint. आमे पेंट प्रोग्राम में गोटे भल 3D illusion केमती बनै परिबा. Let us try. Okay, first मु hexagon shape को जीबी. Hexagon shape I have taken. Line width को हम टिके पतला कर दवा. Now I will create a hexagon. Color is different. I am taking the black color. The hexagon created. Now go to the line tool and draw the line like this. Only line tool को click करियो आउ थरे. Line टाइम ते वन दवा. Again we will make the line like this. एटा गोटे 3D बॉक्स टाइम क्रिएट हे गेला. एबे हमें different color fill कर दवा different pattern. Suppose I have taken this. I have taken red, yellow. Suppose this side I am giving blue color. Okay. एबे एटा को हमें कॉपी करिया. गोटे 3D बॉक्स क्रिएट हे गेला. Beautiful 3D box. Okay. Now make it copy then paste. Now fit it here. Again paste. Copy तो कराई छे. Fit it here. Again paste. Fit it here. पुनी पेस्ट करिया. हमें एठी फिट करिया. पुनी पेस्ट करंतु. एठी हमें पेस्ट करिया. पेस्ट. Paste. Okay. Again paste this place. Again paste here. Again paste here. In this way we can create the very beautiful 3D illusions in Paint program. Okay then, thank you for being with us. Thank you.